In this video, I'll show you how to deposit and withdraw crypto on Binance. This video is only for educational purposes only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. Open up your Binance. For you to be able to properly and safely deposit your crypto on your Binance, you need to be very sure of the network and the crypto you're transacting with. I want to give you an instance now. Come on here, click on this. Come on here, type in USDT. So if you open it, if you click on add, click on the first option, you can see there's a whole lot of network for you to be able to receive or deposit crypto on your Binance. So there's the TRC20, there's the BIP20, there's the Aptos, there's a whole lot of them. So before anyone sends you payment, you need to ask the person the network he or her is sending his crypto to you, right? So you need to be very careful so as you're going to be able to get your funds on Binance. So for you to be able to get or to deposit crypto on your Binance, you need to come onto the search and type in any crypto you want to deposit. So let's say if your friend wants to send you, let me say Bitcoin, yeah? So come on here, Bitcoin, BTC. So click on the deposit, click on the add, click on the first option. Now you're going to be able to see different networks. So this is very important. This is very important. So make sure you deposit your crypto rightly in the right network for each. So this here applies to all of them. So even Ethereum, if you come on here, type in 8, the first option, wait for it to open, click on add, click on the first option. You're going to be able to see different networks as well. So you need to be very careful. Someone can send you Ethereum base, someone can send you Ethereum Arbitrum, Ethereum BIP20, Ethereum Scroll, Ethereum Stacknet. So there's a whole lot of them. So the very first step for you to do is for you to be able to know the crypto the person wants to send. Then the second one is for you to be able to know the network. So I hope you find that helpful. So the next one, for you to be able to withdraw your money on crypto, like for you to be able to withdraw your crypto on Binance, you need to click on this send. So there are 4 options here. So if you want to withdraw your crypto from your Binance to another exchange, another wallet, you need to be using the second option, the on-chain withdrawal. So click on it. So from this search, you're going to come on here and type in the coin you want to withdraw. If you want to withdraw USDT, if you want to withdraw Bitcoin, if you want to withdraw Ethereum, all these options is going to come out. So let's say if you want to withdraw USDT, for example, come on here. So just wait for it to load up. Okay, you can see if I click in select network, you can be able to see there's a whole lot of networks here for me to be able to withdraw my funds safely. So this is the first thing about depositing. You need to be very sure the network you're depositing to. Then when it comes to withdrawal, you need to be very sure of the network you are withdrawing. So this here applies for the rest of the cryptos. So if you followed what I told you earlier, I'm sure you should be able to know how you can be able to deposit or withdraw your crypto here on Binance. If you have any questions, please do well to ask me below. I'll be really pleased to help you out and to show you how you can be able to do this safely and well enough. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching through. I really hope you all found this video helpful. I'll see you in the next video.